Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase Henry B. Plant Museum tickets alongside with an audio guide online. If you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can go ahead and get started getting your tickets here. So what you want to do is go ahead and go into the description of this video and find the first link you're going to see. It's going to take you to this page right here. This is where we can get started purchasing those tickets. So you can click the check availability option to get started. It's going to show us all the available days we can purchase the tickets for. So let's say the 11th right here is what I want to purchase for. You can go and select what kind of tickets you want. You have the student ticket, child, or adult one. So let's say only one adult ticket. We can go next to go to the experience page, and at this experience page we can get started with selecting similar experiences that we can go and save money on. If you're not interested, you can just go ahead and click the no thanks option right here. That's going to enable you to go to the personal details page. Here you need to fill out your personal details such as your first name, last name, your email address, as well as your phone number. And now we can get started with going to the payment page. Once you click next to go to the payment page, it's going to open up the new menu from where you can go and take a look at all the payment methods that are available. You're going to have Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal, so choose whichever one you prefer the most. Let's say debit and credit card, and it's going to enable us to fill out our necessary info. From here you can fill out all your info, and once you've done so, you can click the pay button. Once you have made the purchase successfully, you are going to receive your tickets on your email address that you have used for registering your account and provided. And this is how to get started. So go to the description of this video, find the first link you see, and go to this homepage to get your tickets now. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.